National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over eastern Norman, or over Little Axe, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Oklahoma City, eastern Norman, Shawnee, Tecumseh, Pink, Brooksville, Stella, Lake Thunderbird, Bethel Acres, and Little Axe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.